Hi everyone, I'm Bobby. This is my Unix and Linux lab first experiment. In this, the first question is list the contents of user's home directory including the hidden files. For this, the command is ls space hyphen la. So the total files is 56. So this is the answer. And the second question is list the content of slash var directory. So ls slash var slash is the command for this. So it will display all the var directories. Create two directories named directory 1 and directory 2. So make directory dir and dir1. These are the two directories. And the fourth question is create a hidden directory with your name. So hidden directory, to make a hidden directory, just put a full stop in front of, just put a dot in front of the directory's name. So mkdir space dot Bobby. So this is the hidden directory. So change into directory 1. So currently we are in Unix. So cd, that is change directory dir. So we now change to dir. And the next question is copy the file etc password to current directory with sample text as the file name. So for that the command is copy this particular file path name, and this is the file name. So this is the command for that. And change to a home directory using pwd command. So first, to change into home directory, change directory and space and tilde symbol. So this will direct us to the home directory. And pwd command is present working directory. So this is the present working directory here. And create a file test1.txt. So we should create a file with these things. So I have created a file in here with these things as the name as here read.txt. So that's the file I have created already. So the next command is display the student names who are having research. So for this the command is grep grid unix read.txt pipeline operator. That is, pipeline operator is used for join these two. Cut -f space 1. So this command is used to display the student names who are having research interest as computing and etc. So the next command is list all the student name and register number in the class. For that the command is cat unix read.txt, same as the previous command, pipelining operator, cut -f, and here comma 2, because it chooses the first two rows in the table. So first two rows are the student names and register number. By this command we can list the student names and register number. And the next question is display the contents of the file test1, where we have created here as read.txt. We have to display the content without any blank lines. For that the command is grep. So this is the command for that, and this is the result for that. Without any space we have displayed the content. And the next thing is move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. So here is the command, move unix dir sample.txt. So this is the file we are moving to directory 1, and change directory into directory 2 directory. So for that the command is cd change directory to directory. And the next one is check whether the file sample.txt is present there. So it is just to check the file sample.txt is present there, where here this is read.txt. And the next one is rename the file sample.txt to new and check whether sample.txt is there or not. So for that the command is here mv directory 1 sample.txt to new.txt. So this is the new file we have created, and just we are listing the directory one, so we can find the new file is created here, new.txt. And the next command is to display the calendar, um, which is dated as December 2020. So for that, the command is cal for December, the month as 12, and 2020 the year. So here we get the calendar, and remove the directory 1. So for removing rmdir display the last three lines. For that, tail command is used, and display the commands as history. So history, today history, so history will be stored in the today history text. And last, how many files are present in the directory. For that, ls, the word count command is used, so we can find how many files are in the current directory. Thank you.